Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we have a new device to try out. This is a Nesco upright infrared roaster, and today we're going to be baking a chicken in it, and we'll see how it goes and how it's supposed to be wonderful. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, there's the Nesco brand here, the circle of heat, which means that this part, this is circle of heat, like this, and these are the parts that it comes with. This is a drip pan. Let's take this apart. I'll show you all the parts. Okay, this is the drip pan, and you notice there's this thing here. Okay, now that's where your turkey, see this right here, okay, this goes on top of here, and you maneuver it around so this little thing comes like this, and it goes right on there like that. Okay, probe, this is what gets hot, and we have a cover for the probe that goes on first, see, like that, and let's see it like that. Okay, and then we're going to take the base. This is what that. It goes over there like this. It fits right over there. Nicely, see? Like that. And then this goes on top of that. And your turkey or chicken, whichever you're gonna, or duck, goose, whatever you got. I don't think a quail would fit on here, but you never know. Anyway, that goes on to here, and we're going to be showing you that in a little bit. And we're back. And you can see our timer has reached. Actually, gotten a little bit hotter. That's okay. I'll take the top off, and you can see it is just absolutely gorgeous color. And now, there it is. And we're going to take this and lift it up, and kick it out. The whole thing comes out. And now, on this cutting board, like that. And there is our beautiful chicken. Recipe for the chicken is on the website. And I'm giving this contraption an A+. All right, see you next time on The Good Plate.